Pure and impure substances. Pure substances in chemistry refer to materials composed of only one type of element or compound, possessing uniform chemical and physical properties throughout. Examples include elements like gold, AU, and compounds like water, H2O. Pure substances have fixed melting and boiling points and exhibit sharp phase transitions. On the other hand, impure substances contain more than one type of element or compound, leading to varying compositions and properties. Mixtures, alloys, and solutions are common examples of impure substances. Impure substances may have variable melting and boiling points and can undergo gradual phase transitions due to the presence of different components. The purity of a substance is crucial in chemical analysis, industrial processes, and material synthesis. Impurities can alter the characteristics and behavior of substances, affecting their utility and performance. Techniques such as distillation, chromatography, and filtration are employed to separate pure substances from impurities, ensuring accurate measurements and desired material properties in various applications across industries like pharmaceuticals, electronics, and manufacturing.